Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing two snacks recipes. One is very healthy and the other one is nice for party presentation too. Also, I will be sharing our picnic trip with friends on Victoria Day. Now let's get started with our first healthy snack, for which I have grated whole lot of carrots and beetroot. As always, food processor has done the job. For this recipe, I have taken little extra carrot and less of beetroot, as beetroot will give lot of color and little intense earthy flavor too. I have added salt and little bit of coriander and also little bit of lemon juice. If you want to add pepper or chili flakes, that is optional. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now this is the main ingredient, another one for this recipe. This is tattu vadai they say in South India, or even papdi in Gujarati snacks and all, you will find this, or South Indian snacks you will find this pack in the local desi market. And I have just bought one full bag. For this recipe, I will be using mint chutney and any kind of red chutney. For this, I have used Thai chili sauce and even Nando's sauce. Back in India, Salem, everywhere you can see this street food called tattu vadai set in roadside and all. You will see this as a evening tea time snack, or anytime you will find this cart over there. Inspired with that only, we always prepare this, and it's very healthy also. You can see I am filling up one side with the red chutney. There in shop and all, you'll get very spicy red chutney, but here I have kept little bit sweet and sour together. That's how it is. And keep the mix of that carrot and beetroot in between and cover up with the other tattu vadai or the papdi. That's it. Very simple, little time consuming, but it will get finished up in no time. It is the most healthiest way of feeding your family some way or the other, but this is very, very tasty and very nice way of feeding your family a healthy snack. Definitely give it a try. You will love it. Even in parties, you can keep this as an extra dish which will fly in no time, and I'm sure everybody will love it. Key of making this recipe is give nice sauces on both the sides, which makes it much more tastier. This clip is from Monday. Last Monday was Victoria Day here in Canada, and it's off to school for all kids, and we all friends together planned for a picnic to a park. I am preparing orange flavor cake with chocolate topping. Now I am going to get started. I will be using half and half, that is 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of margarine. This margarine is plant based. You can see always adding up margarine with butter will give extremely very tasty and very fluffy cake. Definitely give it a try. For this recipe, I am taking 2 cups of this margarine and butter. You can see 1 cup butter, 1 cup margarine and 2 cups of sugar. Now we will beat it nicely so that this sugar and butter will mix together, and the color of the butter will change it into nice pale in color, and light and airy and fluffy it will become. It will take approximately 10 minutes. I am going to do it in my stand mixer. Even hand mixer is also okay. Until this is going to get done, I will go and keep all the ingredients ready. For this, I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, vanilla essence, 1 cup yogurt and 6 eggs. These are the ingredients. And one more thing I have forgot to kept over here is the flavor, orange flavor. When the butter and sugar is nice and fluffy, I have started adding up the eggs one by one and nicely give it a good mix until all the ingredients mix up together. sure stop and scrape all the sides. That is very important, so that no lumps are left separately, like for butter or margarine or sugar. Everything will be nicely mixed. For that reason you have to give it a scrape. Now I'm going to add vanilla essence and orange flavor. Always whenever you make any flavor cake, definitely add vanilla also along with that flavor, and 1 cup of yogurt. Nicely give it a good mix. After that we will start adding the flour. In this flour itself we have added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This cake I am making in large quantity. If you want to just make it in half of the quantity, you can take all what I have shown. You will end up making a little smaller cake, which is enough for a small family. For example, I have taken 6 eggs over here. You can take with 3 eggs. Likewise, all the ingredients you can take it in half the quantity. Finally, in the cake mix, I have added sliced almonds. Nuts of any choice you can add, or even you can omit. It is optional only. I will divide this batter in 2 different sizes. You can see one is large and one is small. Like this nice and fluffy cake mix is very much ready. You can see it is going to be super tasty and soft moist cake. Now even on top I will be giving one more layer of this almond slices. This is also optional. When you're going to give nice chocolate topping on it, you don't need to give this, but at this time I never planned for chocolate topping, but okay, this also was nice only. I will be baking this cake at 350 Fahrenheit for only 40 to 45 minutes depending on the temperature of your oven. Completely 45 minutes I baked this cake. Now I will be taking 1 cup of choco chip, to that 1 teaspoon of butter and half cup of milk. Nicely keep it in microwave for 1 + 1 2 minutes, and this way you can garnish on top of the cake. I was running out of time, so I had just melted it a little bit only. You can keep this chocolate mix little more runny and pour more also. This will get dried up very fast. That's why I have kept a little bit thick. Now our cake is ready and we are getting ready to the park. Today evening 4 to 4:30 we have decided to everybody assemble in the park. The cake is now shifted into a cake keeper. You can see I have also made them in nice small square shape. That's it. Now we are ready to go. Evening 4 to 4:30 we reached the park. It is Mohawk Park. Very beautiful, nice, pleasant weather. You can see how green, lush trees everywhere, scenic view, beautiful pictures we took, and it was a very pleasant park, and the weather was also very pleasant. Very nice, enjoyable day. Almost some 15 families together we had come over there. Everybody bought one dish, something or the other. I will show you in a little while. In all parks you can see some rest areas like this. This is called pavilions, where you will have tables and seating arrangement also, where you can have your picnic or lunch or dinner. All kinds of arrangements you can make and enjoy. This is all free. Some parks will have, like, you have to book it online, but this was all free place where you can enjoy. As it is evening time, it was only tea time party picnic. We had whole lot of variety, that is chana chaat, then zarda, that is sweet chawal or meethe chawal, even dahi papdi chaat, sandwiches, some pakodas, rolls, and my sweet and spongy cake. Lot more things were there for kids to enjoy, that is like cookies, muffins, and even brownies. Those type of things were also there, and of course there was lot of beverages like Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, and even some fresh juices and fruits. Instantly when we went itself, we have cut and distributed to the kids and everybody. Finally, we had even tea. The tea was taken up by the gents. Men will make the tea and we all will relax and enjoy. Now I must share that everybody loved the cake very much. I got loads of compliment for the cake. Everybody were asking for the recipe. The main point of the best cake you prepare is the right ingredients and in the right way you make it. Always do not change the proportion. I have told you, with that same measurement if you make, the cake will end up the same way, very moist, very soft and apt sugar, not too sweet, very tasty cake. A must try recipe, not only for the party, even at home for evening tea time snacks or for school lunchbox snack also you can prepare this and keep. Any kind of activity which is either outdoor or indoor, first thing we have to keep in mind is good food. Nice, good, happy food will keep the place pleasant. All kids also will be happy. Especially for kids, you should keep lot of goodies. Then only each and every moment you can enjoy. Hungry people cannot enjoy a lot at all. After having high tea party, all of us had lovely chit chat, nice sightseeing, lovely pictures. Kids were all enjoying in the play area. That's it. The day end. Finally at 8:30 we just finish up everything, wrapped up, and all were back home. Over here evening Maghrib prayer is 8:45. We all were back home before the Maghrib prayer. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.